going to be replacing a dishwasher today. It's real easy. First thing we gotta do is get these screws out. This is what holds it in for you new cats. There we go. Now we can just close it up, pull the whole deal out. I'm going to be taking the water supply line off, so make sure you turn the water off to your dishwasher. And the dishwashers here are plug-in, so we'll unplug it. Now the power is off. Let me disconnect this so I can get to the supply line easier. And you're just going to be disconnecting two things. It's real simple. Disconnect the water supply line and the drain hose. And that's it. Got my shop vac on standby in case there's any flood. Or not flood, but just a little water is going to come out. That's normal. The drain hose is really what you gotta watch. There'll be a lot of water coming out of that. These people are home, so I gotta be quiet. I don't want them to think I'm being weird. Oh, the weird maintenance man's talking to himself again. Alright, cut the shop back on. Unhook our power. In this case it's a cord. If you're hardwired, it's the same thing. It's just you're hardwired. Make sure the breaker's off. Alright, now we'll pull that through. Supply line's off. Drain hose is off. Power disconnected. That's it. Pick it up and take it outside. Put the new one in. Gonna disconnect the old drain hose and use the new one that comes with the new dishwasher. Should just pull through that hole there and out there. That's my new drain hose. We'll use the same ring that came off the old one. Just want to make sure it reaches the disposal. Yep, that'll work. Alright, my new drain hose is on. This side to connect to the bottom of the pump. Take these screws out, loosen up these screws. Take the cover off the new one. Alright, I got my power hooked up. Real simple, white to white, black to black, and green to green. Make sure you put your cover over it though. Kind of angers me when I see that. I've run up on so many dishwashers that don't have it on there. And what if it leaks and gets all over the power right here? This covers it up. So put your door back on, skid. Come on. Alright, my power's covered. We're almost home free. Hook up the supply line and then the drain line over there. And that's it. Push it back in, mount it, turn it on. Oh crap, I just noticed that I'm going to have to change this out because we don't use this. It doesn't have the right part on it. I've got this in the shop, so I'm just going to change this out real quick. Alright, no big deal, just a little snag. What I'm going to do is take this off. It's just two screws here. Undo those and then it'll come out. I'm going to replace it with this because this supply line, that supply line will go on to there and it doesn't come with one. So I'll just pop this hose off, unplug it, drop it down, pop the new one in. No biggie. J Buddy's not here to help me. Need somebody to hold it. Just trying to get the clip off, folks. Put it on the outside. If anybody from GE ever watches, it says put it on the outside where we can get to it. Don't put it up in the middle, bro. Hallelujah. That's all I needed. Yeah, see, I had nothing to put the supply line on. It doesn't come with anything. So I order these and I keep them in the shop. GE, if anyone's watching, make them come with this style of solenoid. Don't want any leakers. Alright, that'll work. Now we give it one more. Yeah. Alright, bro, that's it. Supply line, or I'm sorry, the drain line's hooked up. Water supply line's hooked up. Got a new solenoid. You could also take the one off your older dishwasher. If it's a match and it'll work. Got that hooked up. Thinking about the next guy on the outside. Plugged in. Alright, we'll fire it up. Plug it into the wall. Alright, it's filling. No drippies from the supply line. I like to run it while it's out, just so I can look at everything good, get a good look, make sure no leaks. So far, so good. Alright, it's running. Sounding good. I'll take this protective plastic off in a minute. But now I'll get it to drain and push it back in and mount it up. On to the next adventure. Alright, it just dumped a load. No drips. All good. I'm gonna push it in and mount it. Alright, mounted back up. Good to go, man.
Man, I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome. Alright, Brosephine, as you can see, installing a dishwasher is pretty simple. And if you're wondering why I installed a new dishwasher, I couldn't get it to drain, man. I sucked everything out. I even replaced the motor. It would go into the disposal, be draining, go full pressure, then it would just slow off and trickle. So it would leave the bottom of the dishwasher constantly full. And I don't know, couldn't figure it out. So if you guys know why, hit me up in the comments section. So I just replaced it, man. After I replaced the motor and sucked everything out, everything was clear. It was a brain smasher, so I just replaced it. It's almost 7 years old anyway. So I got a comment about my tools. Nothing's changed, guys. Still running the old Klein backpack tool bag. Got my magnetic nut drivers, screwdrivers, just, you know, typical stuff. Same stuff as on my last video. I've done previous tool videos. Got my old Testo 557 gauges. This is my AC bag when I go out on an AC call. Carry the Gallo gun. Got 2 Gallo guns. There's my temperature. So nothing much has changed. Running the same old stuff. I try to keep it simple. Alright, see you on the next video. Lates.